Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I'm doing yet another Temu unbagging. Last time they sent me a box, but this time they sent me a bag again. So let's go ahead and do this little unbagging. I'm gonna show you everything I got. I'm so excited about this. So I think this is like my fourth Temu haul. I've done a clothing and shoe Temu haul and try on, and I've done a few other unboxings from Temu. I'll have them linked down below if you want to check them out so you could see everything that I got. As always, everything that I got from Temu is going to be linked down below in the description. There will be the item name, the price, as well as the link. You can just click on each individual link and get more information on each product that I show. I get a lot of complaints about the prices not being displayed on the video for each individual item, but seriously, everything is down in the description. The name of the product, the link, and the price. So that's all you have to do is check down below in the description. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this package open. I'm really excited about this because I ordered some different stuff this time, different than what I have in the past, because I wanted to try out different products from Temu. There's also a few things in here for the cats, which I'm really excited about. They have lots of pet stuff. Like if you haven't checked out Temu yet, as usual, I highly recommend it. They have everything you can think of at the best prices ever. They have stuff for kids, for adults. They have home decor, pet stuff, organization stuff. They literally just have everything. So yeah, anyways, let's get this package open and then I'll show you what I got this time. All right, starting with the first item, I have something here for the girls. Also, I wanted to tell you that there's a few things that I got here in this haul that I'm actually going to be trying out after I do the haul, so stay tuned towards the end of the video to see how these products work out for me. So this is a water fountain for the girls. They love water fountains. They've had a few in the past, but they got a new one, so I got this one from Temu. So let's go ahead and open this. It says it has an ultra quiet water pump, a transparent design, simplicity water container, low voltage, safe power supply, compact size, triple purification system, water softening, and it's a 2.6 liter water capacity. So comes with a little booklet here, and let's open her up and see how she looks. Okay, this is huge. This is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be, and it's gorgeous. It does have like a little protective plastic on it, but I'll take that off whenever I set it up. And it looks like there's some extra things in here as well. So yeah, this is just the unboxing portion. I'll be setting this up later in the video, so stay tuned so you can see that and see the girls' reaction to it. Next up, let's see what we have here. I think this is a lantern. Yes, a lantern, lamp, whatever you want to call it. Alan actually picked this out. Alan is my husband if you are new here. Ooh, okay. Wait a second. I thought this was actually a plug-in. It is not. I think it's battery operated. Okay, let's see if I can maneuver this, if possible. Okay, I might have to wait to do that and share that at the end of the video too. I'm sorry, I'm excited. I want to open up the rest of the stuff as well, but this is like a little light bulb you screw in. And then yes, it's battery operated, does not come with batteries. Hopefully I have some so I can show you guys what this looks like. But basically it's like, it's a really cute little lantern. That looks like little fairy lights inside of the light bulb. So we'll set that up in a little bit. Hopefully I have batteries, but this is really nice. Alan is going to love this. Next up, I got this really cute food or water bowl for the girls. I actually thought I ordered 2 of these, so I might have to get another one, but you guys look at this. The bowls my girls have been eating out of are so old. I think I got them whenever I first got Kiki, and they're like way smaller. This is massive, which is what I wanted because I wanted their little faces to be able to eat the food without like their whiskers hitting the bowl or whatever. But look how pretty this is. It's gray. The pattern on it looks like that. And it's got a white bow on the front. This is adorable. I can't wait to put their food in here and watch them eat right out of this bowl. Next up, I got a mosquito killing lamp. High-tech new product, LED purple lightweight wave mosquito killing lamp. Let me just tell you something. Mosquitoes here in the summertime is awful, and for some reason I attract mosquitoes like hardcore. They're obsessed with me and they ruin my life. So anyways, I got a mosquito killing lamp to go outside because we spend a lot of time out on our balcony when the weather is fabulous. So I got one of these. I don't know how it works, but I hope it works. So it's got a USB plug. It looks interesting. I don't know anything about it, but yeah, this is what it looks like, and it's supposed to kill the mosquitoes, and I hope it does just that because like I said, I'm like a magnet to mosquitoes. There's something about me they just love, so hopefully this actually works. I don't know how it works, but we're gonna find out. Next up, I got 2 travel bags. I'm sure y'all have seen these on the Temu site before. I've seen them a million times, and you know what? I wanted them, but I was like, so I just got them. But that was the end decision, was just get them. So we recently went out of town from like the end of January till March, and I used a small duffel bag for my clothes and stuff, and then I used like a reusable grocery bag for my other stuff. I don't have luggage and all that, so I got these 2 pieces. This one's kind of like a duffel bag, or you could use it as a gym bag, but it's black. It says pink on it. Pink on the handles, and then it's got this big handlebar as well, and it's got a little zipper over here for extra storage. Let's check out the inside. Oh, it has a zipper on the outside too for extra storage. Oh, and another zipper on the other side. Okay, that's a lot of pockets, and I'm loving it. And then of course this is the inside, so I can pack some stuff in here. So yeah, I got this bag. This one's actually really nice. Hopefully you can see that. Looks like it's backwards on the camera, but not in real life. It's just my camera. So we got a black pink bag. I got a pink bag. So this one is like a blush pink. This one is bigger in size. It has a pocket on the back. Oh, it has storage on the bottom. That's awesome. And then, well, it actually has 2 pockets in the back. So it's got this pocket here and then a little zipper so you could put more little stuff in there. And then it's got another zipper on the inside and extra storage on the inside. And look at how cute this is. So it's a blush pink bag, and it has silver sequins that says pink across the side. This is really nice. This is nicer than what I thought it was gonna be. This is fabulous. So yay, I got 2 new travel bags. Next up, we got something for the cats. It's a tunnel, and I hope they love it. So let's go ahead and open this, and then we'll set it up in a little bit to see what the girls think about it. I don't know if I want to open it right now. Maybe I'll open it. And let's open it. Oh Lord. Ew, it's got a little ball. Okay. Okay. I hope my girls can fit in this because, you know, they're rag dolls. They're kind of on the bigger side. There's a little peephole, and it's got 3 different tunnels for them to run through and play. I guarantee you they're going to love this or be afraid of it or try to fight each other inside of it. But anyways, yeah, so it's a black and blue cat play tunnel. That should be fun. Next up, so I didn't know this, but they have like boxers on there for guys. I should have known. They have everything, but I got Alan some boxers. Alan is very particular about his boxers. But I picked these out because I love the colors. So we've got 4 different pairs here, and they're all like kind of pastel colors. So we have a blue, we have a purple, this rosy shade, and then this gray. They are super soft, nice material. These look nice. I'm gonna hide them now. Next up, I got a little rug. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but y'all look at the design. Look at the design. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Might put this by the front door or the back door. I'm not sure, but this is such a nice size. I love this, and I love the shape of it because you could put that against the wall, and then you've got this rounded part over here. But love this design. It actually matches Grandpa's table. Ooh, that would be cute under Grandpa's table, but I don't know. This is really nice, good quality, and I just love the look of it. Gorgeous. All right, 2 more items for the girls. These are smart rotating balls, and they supposedly, oh, okay, you charge them, and then there's something in there, and then you turn it on, and then they'll like move across the floor. So it's like an interactive toy to entertain the girls. And I got 2 of them. I got a pink one and then a blue one. It's like Tiffany blue. I hope these work and I hope the girls love them. Oh, this one turned on. Okay. I don't know how it works, but we're gonna put it, whoa. Okay, let me turn that off. We're gonna put it on the floor and see how the girls react to it. So pink and blue. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, so I got one last item to show y'all. I'm so excited about this. They actually have like cameras on Temu. So this is a Wi-Fi smart net camera. It's wireless. You can connect it to your phone, 2-way intercom. So like while I'm gone, I can be like, Kiki, what are you doing? It's got storage. It tilts and moves. Yeah, so I actually got this to put inside my home to keep an eye on the inside of my home while I'm not home, but also to watch the girls while we're not here. I thought that would be really funny to see what they're up to when I'm not around. So this is what it looks like. I think it needs to be charged. I definitely need to read the booklet to find out more about it, but I'm gonna be testing this out today. This looks really fun. It's just gonna sit there. And it definitely moves. I wonder if it's motion censored. That would be so cool. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. So yeah, that was everything I got from Temu. I'm literally obsessed with Temu. I'm guilty of literally just looking at the app and like adding stuff to my cart. I've got a lot of stuff in there right now that I really want. I will say this though, really quick. If there is something you see and you want on Temu, I need to tell myself this. You need to buy it while you can, because I had some stuff in my cart the other day that I really wanted and they sold out. They sell out of things quickly because all this stuff is amazing and the prices are fabulous. But anyways, okay, I'll have all of this stuff linked down below if you want to check it out. The prices, all that fun stuff, it's all down in the description. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I'm going to charge some of this stuff. I'm going to set some of this stuff up, and we're gonna see how it works. Y'all ready? All right, first things first, we're setting up my little rug here by the front door. I am in love with this rug. It actually reminds me of my old black and white rug that I used to have. I absolutely love the design. This one is made really well, and I think it looks really cute by my front door. Next up, these are the bowls that the girls usually use. They're really old, and I feel like they're too small for them, even though they work just fine. But I wanted to get a different one, so this one is perfect, and it actually holds enough food where I don't think I need 2 of them. I think all 3 of the girls can eat from this one bowl, but it holds a lot of food. It's a perfect size, and it's just absolutely adorable. Next up, this is the little tunnel. The girls absolutely love it. Kiki has not played in it yet, but Cannoli and Cookie are in love with this. They have been playing in it ever since I set it out. This is so fun for them. They were so excited, as you can tell, and they're really just enjoying it. So I only have one of the balls out because the other one needs to charge, but these are so cute and so fun. Don't mind my floor. I have not cleaned in here today, so there's stuff all over the floor, but the girls love this. It is constantly moving. I love that it's rechargeable. These little toys for the cats are really cool, and I think they'd be really good for dogs as well if you don't have cats, but my girls ended up loving this. So now I'm setting up the mosquito thing outside. I think I need to turn this on though, because I forgot that the packaging said that it was LED, so I think it lights up, but I just set it up there to see how it looked, and I don't know if it works yet, but I'm hoping that it does. This is the little light thing. Thank God I had 3 AA batteries so that I could test it and see how it looks. We absolutely love this. It is so cute. It matches our decor perfectly, and it works great. Next up is the water fountain. My girls love a water fountain and they love drinking out of the sink, so this is perfect for them. Like I said, they've had water fountains before, but I ended up having to get rid of those, so I got this one, and as you can see here, Cookie is already obsessed. The only thing I haven't set up yet is the camera because I'm having a hard time figuring it out, but once I figure it out, I will update y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!